Hello and welcome, children. Today we are going to discuss some word meaning. Word meaning from this chapter related to God by G.L. Friends. First word which is used, that is crest, and the meaning is top of a hill is called crest. Number two, second is word which is used, dotted. It means full of. Third one, downpour, heavy rainfall is called downfall. Intimately, these words are used in your textbook, the story. Intimate, intimate means close, intimately means closely. Next is regard. Regard means consider. I regard him as a good person. Consider, think of. Another word is draft. Draft, draft means adorn or covered. Next word is used which may be new for you, that is resemble. When we resemble something, it has similar appearance. Next, number 8, expose. And something is exposed, what happens? It is visible to all. Make visible. Okay. Next one. I have seen a word in your book, that is play of locusts. Leg means here many in number, numerous, and it is a kind of insect which comes in group and destroys crops. One more word can be written here, solitary. And it means lonely or alone. That's all for today. Study all these words and use in your own languages. Thank you.